once again. Now we are going to discuss about the non-homogeneous linear differential equation when an algebraic expression is given in right hand side. So what you have to do, if the form of x raised to power something is given to you in right hand side, then you have to take this 1 by fd in numerator form and just expand it according to binomial expansion. Now the question strikes how. So I'll give you the answer of this how. Firstly, the thing we are going with it is this. Now your auxiliary equation is d square minus 3d plus 2. If you take it as 0, then your solution will become d square minus 2d minus d plus 2. If you take d as common, so d is 2 and 1. So this is your alpha, this is your beta, two real distinct roots. So your complementary factor will become c1 e raised to power alpha x, c2 e raised to power beta x. Alright, now next thing is particular integral. So for particular integral, what do you have to do? 1 by fd. fd is your d square minus 3d plus 2 into your right hand side value x. Okay, now what you have to do is just made the 1 plus something form. So take 2 as common. What will you get? 1. If you take minus common from this, then 3 d by 2 plus d square by 2. Is it okay? If you expand it, it will remains in this form. We just take 2 as common. So divide it with 2. Then only 2 will cancel out with 2 and we get the original form. So now 1 by 2 is here. X is also here. But this form you have to take in numerator. So it is like this. Minus 1. Now this is your 1 minus x raised to power n form. Okay, this is minus. Okay, so just expand it according to that. What you have to do simply, 1 is as it is, minus 1 when multiplied with this, plus 3d by 2, this will become as it is. Neglect higher powers. Okay, you have to just take d square form till then. Now expand it, multiplied with x, this is x plus 3 by 2 dx minus d square by 2x. Okay, is it okay? You have to see here. Okay, 1 by 2 x, differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of x is 1, and again differentiation of 1 is 0. So this will become 0 and the form is x by 2 plus 3 by 4. This is your particular integral. Now your complete solution will be your complementary factor plus particular integral. That means c1 e raised to power 2x plus c2 e raised to power x plus x by 2 plus 3 by 4. I hope you will get it. Rest of the topic we will discuss in our next class or next video. In that we will discuss how a non-homogeneous form having trigonometric expression like sin ax and cos ax can be solved. Till then, don't forget to subscribe my channel and keep smiling. Thank you.